can't make ice.
Oh, we have water on the door.
Correct. That's different. That's separate.
No, okay.
When you get water from the door, that tells you that a couple things are working. Your main valve is working. Your filter head is working. But you have a main valve that feeds the ice maker, and sometimes he's not working. Cleaning too, huh? Might as well.
Sounds like the people who lived before me is probably still here.
Yeah, that's funny.
I just went and cleaned my neighbor's house.
Oh, really?
We're 55 plus here, okay?
Right.
So her daughter was building a house. So her daughter is, I think she's in her late 30s now.
Right.
But they got 2 kids. So they were living with her for almost 3 months, and that's not allowed. You can have somebody visit for a couple weeks.
Ah, not for too long.
So anyway, mom finally went on vacation somewhere, and the daughter finally got the house done and just moved in. So yeah, mom's house, so it's been home.
Oh, neat.
Every day there, so
That's funny. So if water's working, you'll hear water.
Are you trying to see if water's coming in?
To listen. Listen. You're not getting any water. So what you could do, you could pour some water in here, in the ice mold, and put a piece of paper towel on top of your regular ice, and see if there's new ice. There's no water going in. So you can't make ice without water.
Yeah.
You definitely don't want to have that rusting on you, because that's how it starts. So I gotta pour.
I think I'm going to put it in the neighboring cup.
Hey, that's a good idea. Yeah.
I'm not going to try to put it in there.
Yeah, it's gonna jiggle out the way.
So how much?
Perfect. Keep pouring. We want to cover that pipe or that metal.
More?
Yeah, a little more. And then we can, is that 50-50 or is it straight?
It's ready to use.
Okay, it's ready to use, yeah. Could still use a little bit more.
Just a little bit more?
Yeah. And that keeps any corrosion much better. Yes. Yeah. Definitely. Absolutely. And now, when the fridge goes into defrost, you'll drop some water there, and this helps to keep it cooler because it actually absorbs more heat. So it's a win-win. The fridge actually works better. Now we've got a GE not making ice, and a little customer interaction here. Also, I think this customer actually turned her ice maker off and changed the filter and never flushed the system properly. You'll see that the ice maker is giving water as we go along. Yeah. Excellent. Stop. Beautiful. All right, so now we're going to activate the ice. And
I'm not.
so let's do that. Oh, here, it's moving, good. Doing now, we're seeing if the ice maker is sending a signal power-wise. So ice maker is sending a signal that will beep red when the time is right. that would tell you that it's sending a signal, the valve is not responding. If you're getting water, but it's not dispensing or putting the ice in the ice bin, you need to replace the ice maker. Ice maker is faulty. So right now, waiting for the ice maker to do its harvest or to do its sending a signal to the water valve. So you'll see shortly that it is actually doing exactly what it's supposed to be doing. So I did reach out to the customer, and she stated that the ice maker did not continue to make ice, but we can see from there that it is sending a signal to the ice maker to dump water. The problem is the ice maker is not doing its job. It's not dumping the ice. So if the ice is stuck, replace the ice maker. Interesting. All right, so we're getting close. As soon as they come on down, you see they're up. So that's what pushes your ice out. You have a heater underneath, and what happens, it scoops the ice. Right now, ice should be being pushed out and falling in the bin, and then it turns on the valve, and that valve sending water up, and that's really how you make ice. So now it's going to energize. 3, 2, 1. That's it. Yeah. So, and it's so valve. Hey, did I hear water?
It sounded like it tried to.
Look.
Yeah, but it's very sporadic, and it only puts in a little bit. It doesn't put in enough to make ice, and it sometimes it dumps it, sometimes it don't.
All right, I want to clarify something. The customer stated that it is very sporadic, and sometimes it doesn't let in enough water to make ice. So, key point to take away from this, the ice maker will make ice if it's getting water. The difference between making ice and not dispensing ice or dumping ice are two different issues, right? So your ice maker will receive water, and if the ice maker is working properly, it will dump the ice. You can't dispense ice from your ice bin if you do not have ice. So your first point is to verify that you're getting water. If you are getting water in the ice maker and the ice is stuck, that tells you that your valve is good. The problem you're dealing with is not a water issue, it's an ice maker issue. Replace the ice maker. Thanks for watching.